So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have still didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and like the video. So yes, today is day 18 in the course of SQL Basic to Advanced. And if you have didn't watch my previous video, just go and check the description box. I've shared the link, okay? And today we are going to learn wildcard in the SQL. So let's get started. So yes, why I have focused in the wildcard. So the main reason behind that, in the coding, in Java, in Python, you have done the coding like give me the name which is started from the alphabetical order, or they were related to the vowel or consonant. So how can you do that? But yes, in SQL, the interview they can easily ask like, tell me how can you fetch the query, how can you fetch the data, the name of the students, they were started from the A, capital A or small a. Okay, so the main reason behind that we can use wildcard. Okay, so how can we use, let's see. So a wildcard character is used to substitute one or more character in a string. Okay, if you just wanted to fetch one character or one or more character, so you can easily fetch the character inside the string. Okay, wildcard character are used with the like operator. The like operator is used in where clause to search for a specified pattern in a column. Like I have told you, if you just wanted to fetch the data which were like related to some pattern, or the name is started from the A or B, so you can easily use wildcard. So here, like the query return all customers that start with the letter A. Okay, so select start from customers where customer name like A, and this one is that percent. So the percent you were using is denoted for the like. Okay, like, and then you need to use percent. So the name start with the A, so you need to use A percent, and if the name ends with A, then you need to use percent then A. Okay, so let's start. Like character, how can you identify the wildcard? So like percent represent 0 or more character, then underscore represent a single character, then square bracket represent any single character with the brackets. Okay, and this one, like we can say angle not, but yes, represent any character not in the brackets. If the character not in the bracket, so you can easily use. Then hyphen represent any single character with the specified range. Okay, and then curly braces represent any escaped character. Node support in PostgreSQL and MySQL. It is only for the SQL. Wildcard only for the SQL. It is not support PostgreSQL or MySQL. Maybe it will support PLSQL, and but it support only Oracle database. Wildcard support only Oracle database. Okay, so demo database, how can you use? Like customers we have already given. Okay, so there's the table and here's the customer name, all thing, and contact name. Okay, so the percent wildcard represent any number of character, even 0 character. Okay, 0 character. Like select start from customers where customer name like percent es. Percent es means where the name in their name, maybe the es is represents or not, like present or not. Okay, and then return all customer name ends with es. I've told you already. But return all customer that contain the pattern mer. Okay, like mer, maybe it will be present in the middle of the name. Okay, so you need to use percent, then mer, then percent. Okay, use the underscore wildcard. How can you use the underscore wildcard? The underscore wildcard represent a single character. Like you just want single character is missing, but all character is present. It can be any character or number, but each underscore represent once, like one name, it will one character it will represent. Okay, and only one character. Yes, represent all the customers with a city starting with any character followed by o and d on. Like if the city is like London, so you have removed like L, okay, and in the place of L you have placed like underscore, so it will represent and it will find only one character. Okay, so you have written like select star from customers where city like underscore OND. Okay, return all customer with city L रहेगा, और फिर उसके बाद देन you will use like two underscore. Okay, so it was very simple and easy. Okay, so what is that? The square bracket wildcard. The square braces wildcard returns a result if any of the character inside get a match. Like if any one character it will match, then just return the name. Okay, select star from customer where customer name like hyphen like, okay, you will use quotation, single quotation, then BSP and then bracket close and then percent. Like if they will ask like tell me all, you need to fetch AEIOU, so you can easily write AEIOU and then bracket close and then percent. Okay, so what will if A to F, like I just wanted to fetch the name A to E or A to F, so you can easily use hyphen. Okay, and then percent. Okay, and if you use the ending word A to F, then use percent first and then hyphen, but you need to use square braces. Combined wildcard, what will happen if you will use combined wildcard? So A and R at least 3 character in the length, 3 characters, so you can use. Okay, second position, if it will say like my name is Santoshi and I just want to fetch my name, but I will only give my second position name like A, but I will replace, so underscore represent 1 like S and then R whatever A and then percent, so it can easily fetch. Okay, without wildcard, if no wildcard is specified, the phrase has to have an exact match to return a result, like exact match, so you can easily use without anyone wildcard, and you just use like Spain. I just want all the person name who they were belongs to Spain, but I have used like without using anyone wildcard. Okay, so Microsoft Access wildcard like star question mark, so it depends, like in Oracle for single character we will use to represent like underscore. Okay, not in braces, so we need to use upper and then specified range, it is equal like hyphen, so it's a very easy. Okay, what does percent wildcard represent in SQL? Percent wildcard, a single character, no, a single character within a range. Let's see what will happen. I have pointed out this, maybe it's a wrong. Yes, it's a wrong, so I will go with that. Exact match for a string. It's also wrong, no problem with that. Yeah, whatever we think. 0 or more character, percent means 0 or more character. Yes, that's right. So enough for the day. You have learned lots of things about the wildcards, and it is very like compulsory. They will ask, interviewer will ask you what is wildcard, and you just think about like you will tell the wildcard. Maybe in some shows the wildcard comes and win the trophy like Big Boss, all thing. Okay, so not that, notice that, and the interviewer think about you like you have no anyone knowledge about the SQL. Okay, so at the incident has happened with me. My senior, they has asked me lots of questions related to SQL. Okay, and I have give the answer very confidently, but after that what happened, like they have asked about me like wildcard. That time I know like I want to fetch alphabetical order, so I need to use like and then hyphen then percent, but I have no idea like percent is the wildcard. Okay, so they just laugh on me and says that the person is that wildcard. So I think yes, I need to learn about this. That's why I got placed in like lots of company, Deloitte, Cognizant, and Quality Kiosk. They were MNCs, yes. And sometimes yes, the interview, it is compulsory. SQL is very important for like upcoming interviews. So be focused on yourself, just learn whatever you learn. Okay, so all the best for your interviews, and thanks for watching. We will meet in the next video.